What attracted us to the Tikiz franchise was that we had a wonderful experience with the franchise partner, and he talked very highly of the franchise, and he pulled us in, and that's what we looked into it, and yeah, so here we are. The reason we wanted to become business owners was to just be able to provide more for our family, to hopefully expand in the future, just for our family, with our family. The experience becoming a franchise partner has been really easy. From the first text message, email from Jareth, to getting in touch with Brian and Danny, very easy, very quick in responding to any questions I have, any emails that I had sent, just super easy, breezy.